Seth, what are you doing?
How's the lint filter?
What's that?
Okay.
What you doing?
Now you like it? Okay, you want some pizza? The pizza's all done.
Oh, you're letting them have chocolate? They couldn't have them.
Oh, look at him.
Okay, that's enough now. We're gonna have pizza. Put that back in here. I'll save it for you.
Only Nana can do this.
Put that back in there. I'll save it.
I
like that.
You like that?
Okay, let me wash your hands. I got pizza for you. You want to see it?
Yeah.
Okay, come here. Look at it. Big one. Big one.
I need to eat it.
Okay.